Hey guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. It's time for another easy and interesting cocktail. You need 5 ingredients, it's fruity, it's gin based, and it's called Lady Killer. So without further ado, let's make it. So as I mentioned a moment ago, this is a gin based cocktail, but it contains passion fruit. So we need flesh from one fresh passion fruit. Scoop it out in our shaker. That's one. One more half. So slimy. But I love passion fruit. I don't know about you guys, but I like it. So the next ingredient is gin, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Followed by half an ounce or 50 ml of passion fruit liqueur. And half an ounce or 50 ml of triple sec. Last ingredient, pineapple juice, 20 ml, about 3/4 of an ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake it 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Smells fruity. Now we need a tumbler. Fill with ice. Can't put too much in because my ice cubes are really big. Now double strain the cocktail over fresh ice. Garnish with a lemon wheel. Just put it here. And that's it, ladies and gents, Lady Killer. Cheers! Oh, it's nice, it's fruity. It's a little bit dry and tart, but it's actually pretty tasty. You can taste passion fruit, you can taste pineapple, you can taste gin. I mean, considering it has a lot of alcohol in it. It's actually pretty nice, pretty nice. If you like passion fruit, if you like pineapple juice, tropical taste, this one's for you, definitely. It's actually pretty good. And that's it, ladies and gents, another quick and easy recipe. Lady Killer, fruity, tasty, a little bit tart, but full of that tropical taste. A mix of interesting ingredients, gin, passion fruit liquor, triple sec, pineapple juice and fresh passion fruit. And like I suggest always, try it, let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, don't be lazy, hit that like button and subscribe, it means a lot, it helps the channel. Like always, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.